Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the ONIKUMA gaming headset. You can get this product on Amazon for about $30. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. It looks like this is a good quality gaming headset. The gaming headset has an on-cabled sound control, which makes it easy to control the volume and mute the microphone. It comes with a microphone and audio splitter cable. If you connect the gaming headset to a USB port, you also have really nice looking LED lights. The cable is about 2 meters or 6 feet and 7 inches long. I tested the gaming headset for about a week and I think it's a very good product. It's comfortable to wear, the microphone quality and the sound quality are very good, and it looks really cool. So if you are looking for a not so expensive but good quality gaming headset, I would recommend the ONIKUMA gaming headset. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.